topic of metaverse is now all the rage. Big tech including Apple, Microsoft and Meta, just renamed from Facebook, is now placing major effort into inventing related technologies. What is Metaverse? Why is it so popular these days? In short, Metaverse is the name for the next generation of internet-connected environments. Until now, there has yet to be a consensus on what the Metaverse actually is, thanks to the continuous evolution of technological development. Therefore, we will continue to expand the definition of the Metaverse with our methods, perceptions, and insights. You can imagine the Metaverse as a virtual world or a multiplayer role-playing online game, where there are no realistic limitations in this virtual environment. You can build your own house, participate in your friends' social activities, and hold public meetings, all without being limited to purely entertainment activities through virtual avatars. You can do almost anything that can be done in real life and interact with the real world from the virtual avatar to enhance the perception of the future within the virtual environment. Here is how Zuckerberg imagines the metaverse.
You can kind of think about the metaverse as an embodied internet, right? Where instead of just viewing content, you are in it and you feel present with other people, like as if you're in other places, having different experiences that you couldn't necessarily do on a 2D app or web page, like dancing, for example, or different types of fitness. But the metaverse isn't just virtual reality. It's going to be accessible across all of our different computing platforms, VR and AR, but also PC and also mobile devices and game consoles. I think that this is a persistent, synchronous environment where we can be together, which I think is probably going to resemble in a lot of ways, some kind of a hybrid between the social platforms that we see today, but an environment where you're embodied in it.
Gaming in the metaverse. At present, Metaverse still focuses on the extension of AR, VR in social life and the expansion of gaming boundaries. For example, the scope of gaming entertainment will be wider, such as Fortnite and singers to cooperate in the game world to hold virtual concerts. Through the application of VR, AR technology, you can enjoy immersive entertainment with friends from afar. And this type of immersive experience is a bit like the world constructed by Ready Player One. Put on your VR glasses and enter a new world. You can be anyone, and in the virtual world, your physical body in the real world can feel the sense of touch.
Okay, let's see what you got, Oculus.
Like Meta's Oculus, put on the Oculus VR glasses to enter the virtual world. Through the 4 lenses on the glasses to capture the movements of the hands, and then create a pair of hands for you in the virtual world, just like what you can do with hands in the real world. Spatial audio technology further enhances the immersion with 360 degrees of surround sound effects. Even fictional scenes, such as those from Free Guy where wearing AR glasses in the image of virtual friends appearing around you, can become reality. In the future, distance may no longer be the key factor affecting interaction and the creation of an immersive experience where virtual and reality are intertwined. Life in the metaverse. Meta has released a series of VR games such as Horizon Home, Horizon Worlds, and Horizon Workrooms, which are metaverses based on the themes of home, creating your own world, and work. Horizon Home. In Horizon Home, players can watch movies with family and friends, invite friends to play games together, shop directly online, or have a party with friends directly online. Horizon World. In Horizon World, users can create a whole new world by themselves. The creation system can design maps and scenes you want. Players can then enter those worlds and create scenes with other users. Horizon Workrooms. In Horizon Workrooms, users can meet and discuss with colleagues. In the future, you may even be able to send and receive letters by speaking or using hand gestures. With the metaverse getting more prevalent, you can create a virtual home, socialize in the virtual world, talk, play games, play sports, hold concerts, attend parties, education, etc. Anything that is presented in digital form can be realized in the metaverse. Business in the metaverse. There are many creators and artists in the metaverse, all of which are creating digital objects, providing services and experiences, digital spaces, and even designing entire virtual worlds like games. All of this content provides audiences with a diverse user experience of digital goods and physical products. The huge source of business opportunities brings out the importance of virtual currency and NFT markets, enabling users to conduct more business activities in the metaverse. For example, GameFi, NFT e-tickets, artworks, avatars, AI NFT, and other fields. These NFT have been applied in full swing. In the future, Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, TikTok, Epic Games, and other companies are also expected to enter this market with their own metaverses, so let's wait and see the diversity of metaverse development in the future. Hardware upgrades brought by the metaverse. To build a metaverse that is complex as the internet, powerful data computing systems, low-latency network environments for transferring huge amounts of data, and AR/VR devices with better display effects on the client side will be needed. This will further drive the demand for memory, advanced wafer manufacturing, 5G network communications, and the development of display technology. In order to improve storage hardware performance and high-speed read/write characteristics, users will gradually increase their demand for DRAM capacity and SSDs for various functional services, scenarios, and interactions in the metaverse. Are you ready for the metaverse? What are the metaverse games and movies that you know? How will the metaverse change your game, life, and even what professions will be created in the future? Leave a comment and tell us what you think.